What up? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm still here in Arlington, as you guys seen from the last video, or it might be after this one, I don't know. I'm still here in Arlington, and I'm at a park next to Globe Life Park. It's the old Texas Rangers Stadium, so they're not using it no more. They've switched over to the other one when the baseball season comes back after the pandemic. But yeah, there's Globe Life Park, and then there's a little park with some water over here on this side. I'm gonna try to stay away from the water. I'm not good enough for that yet. But anyway, guys, I got my iFlight IX2, my 2-inch, and my Mobula 7 HD. And I'm gonna get some goggle footage, and I'm gonna get some HD footage off the Mobula 7. And I'm gonna try to fly both of them here around Globe Life Park and around this little park here behind me, and get some awesome footage for you guys. So without too much rambling, here we go. Let's get after it. You guys make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. Here we go, guys. Check out this footage. Alright guys, that little bit of Mobula 7 footage that I got on the goggles is all you got. I went just a little bit past the edge of the range and I couldn't get it back out of there, and it fell down in the stadium on the bleachers. It was just a little bitty tiny drone, and there was nobody in there. I can't find no way to get it, or nobody to let me in to go look for it or nothing, so it's lost, guys. But I'm gonna fly my iFlight now. It's got crossfire, so it won't lose range near as quick, and I'm not losing it. I'm just gonna get a little bit of footage for you guys and call it good. But yeah, that little bit of goggle footage from my Mobula 7, that's all there is, and my Mobula 7's gone. I lost the memory card and a battery, and the Mobula 7, it fell in it went out of range, and I lost it, and I can't get it back. So anyway, here we go. Let's check out some of this iFlight footage, and hopefully we can do a lot better. I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the FPV video. So I flew my Mobula 7 and my iFlight there at the old Texas Rangers Stadium. I wasn't recording on the goggles on the Mobula 7 on the second flight where I lost it because I thought I didn't think I was gonna lose it. So I thought I would have the memory card, and the memory card would have had the HD footage on it. But yeah, I lost my, as you guys saw me tell you in the middle of the video there, I lost my Mobula 7. I guess it just got a little bit too far out of range, or a wall blocked it or something. But yeah, I couldn't get it back. It fell down into the stands of the Texas Rangers Stadium, the old Texas Rangers Stadium. There was no people or nothing there, and the place is all locked up and nobody there, so I couldn't get in to get it. But yeah, so it's gone. I'll have to get a new one later on, and it is what it is, you know. Thankfully, I did record the one goggle footage there that you guys saw, and turned out pretty good. I like it. I just wished I wouldn't have lost my drone. And after that, I flew the iFlight and got a little bit more footage, but I only did one battery because I didn't want to lose it too. But it has crossfire, so it has much better signal. Anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure and drop a like and a comment. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.